Why if your man do and stand and the thing come out? So waiting this question they talk, they say basically after you meet your partner, after una knack, you get up, the thing they come out. Why? People go tell you say whenever the thing come out, you know go get belle. So make I help you answer this question. Whenever a man meet him partner and the man pour inside, listen abeg, the sperm cells, the thing wey go make you get belle, e don enter, e don travel, e don dey run, dey go find egg. The other things like water go pour out. If you like, lie down there for 5 hours, the rest go come out. You see that thing wey your man dey pour? Inside, e get liquid. Inside, we get cells, substance. The liquid na to help carry that substance, the cells, go inside, make them fit travel. The remaining one don't come out. So whenever your man pour inside, my dear, some go always come out. E no mean say you get problem. The ones wey go carry belle, go make you give you belle, they don't go, they don't dey travel far. Anybody like give you, tell you say, oh, the reason why the thing they come out and I say you get infection, and I just a lie. No matter the amount of sperm wey your man pour inside of you, as soon as you get up, some go come out. E no mean say problem dey. Abeg, because I don't see this question tire, and women believe say whenever they get up and the thing come out, say na im make them know they get belle. Na lie yo. Wetin go make you get belle? E don dey go inside. E don waka. What you can do is after the man pour inside, just try lie down small, pull pillow under your back for a little while, so make some still travel. Then you get up, go and wash. You dey hear me so? Why e be say when woman knack, some young girls, they go dey wash? Why? They believe say washing go prevent belle. They don't even know say wetin go make them get belle. You don't go otilo. You don't go inside. They always talk good life. Nah, sense. Click on the follow button if you like this information and help me share for more awareness. Thank you.